Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you trade currencies, you're in the right spot. Today is December 11th, 2024, and we're diving into what to expect for tomorrow in the Forex market. Grab your coffee or your charts, let's get into it. First, let's recap what went down today. The dollar gained some strength following the release of positive inflation data. The consumer price index came in slightly lower than expected, signaling that the Federal Reserve's recent rate hikes might be doing their job. Meanwhile, the euro struggled against the dollar, dropping to 1.0650 after weak industrial production figures from Germany. Pound sterling to US dollar also faced selling pressure, falling below the 1.2500 mark as uncertainty around the UK's growth outlook weighed heavily. Over in Asia, the yen regained some ground as risk-off sentiment picked up later in the day. Alright, let's talk about what's on deck for tomorrow, December 12th. Here are the key economic events you need to watch closely. European Central Bank meeting. We're not expecting a rate change, but traders will analyze Christine Lagarde's tone in the press conference. Any hint of dovishness could send the euro lower. US retail sales data. This will give us insight into consumer spending during the holiday season. A stronger-than-expected number might reinforce the dollar's rally. Australian employment figures, set to be released overnight for those of us in the States, this could impact AUD pairs significantly. Strong numbers might boost the Aussie dollar. Now, let's pull up some charts and top technicals. We're seeing support around 1.0600 and resistance at 1.0700. If tomorrow's ECB commentary leans dovish, expect a test of that lower support level. Conversely, hawkish surprises could push the pair back above 1.0700. Cable looks weak below 1.2500, with immediate support at 1.2420. If retail sales data out of the US beats expectations, the pair could break lower, targeting 1.2350. The yen's recent strength suggests resistance at 148.50 could hold. Keep an eye on risk sentiment. A stock market pullback might push this pair lower toward 147.50. The Aussie is holding above 0.6400 for now, but employment data will likely be the deciding factor. Weak numbers could see a drop to 0.6350, while strong data might lift it to 0.6450. With all this in mind, how should you prepare your trades for tomorrow? Here are a few tips. Stay flexible, be ready to adapt as the news unfolds. Always have a plan B, use stops and limits. Protect your downside by setting stop-loss levels in case the market moves against you. Focus on correlations. Keep an eye on commodity markets if you're trading AUD or CAD pairs. Oil prices could play a role in tomorrow's moves. What's your strategy for tomorrow? Drop a comment below and let me know which pairs you're watching closely. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay ahead in the Forex game. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there, traders. See you tomorrow for another deep dive into the Forex market. Happy trading!